So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I get this sleek little braided ponytail style, whatever you want to call it. So just to start off, I'm taking some of my gel and I am just sectioning off my hair and sleeking my hair down. This is the longest process of this style. Although it is quick and easy, this part takes the longest. So I just detangle my hair and then I take the gel and just slick my hair back. This was not the gel that I prefer to use, so you will find that I'm using more than I normally would on my hair. But you know, we're all quarantined, so we have to use what we have. But I'm just sectioning my hair off and then slicking it down with either a comb or a brush and then putting an elastic band on it. And I try to do it at least 3 times. More than that and it will pop. So once my hair is all slicked down, I'm going to take some of my Got To Be spray and I'm going to just let my hair dry. And yes, my part is off, but it's okay, mind your business. So I'm going to let my hair dry overnight, and this is the next day. Now I am going to take some of my edge control and I'm going to slick down my edges, and then we're going to move on to the braid. Alright, so now while I am letting my edges set, I am just going to start braiding my hair. So as you can see, I did put my hair in a little plait, so that way my hair could be as stretched as possible overnight. And so now I'm taking the rubber band that comes on the braiding hair and I'm just wrapping that around my hair. And then you want to pull the braiding hair over your hair. When you're doing this style, the most important part is to make sure that your hair is concealed through the braid. So yeah, just make sure you flip your hair over your natural hair. Now I'm just taking a section of the hair and I'm going to put that to the side because we're going to need that later. So now you're going to split your hair along with the braiding hair into 3 sections, and then you are going to begin braiding your hair like you would a regular braid. Now, like I said, the most important part is to make sure that your hair is concealed throughout the braiding hair. So as I was braiding, I was making sure that the braiding hair would be on top of my hair. So that way my hair will be kind of like tucked up under the hair. So it may take you a couple of tries. I know I had to get this down pat maybe like 2 or 3 times, but I feel like the more that you practice, the more that you'll get it. But just make sure that you grip it as tight as you can. That way the braid stays in place for a long time. And now you are just going to keep braiding until you get to the end of the braiding hair. So now taking my Got To Be Glued spray, I'm just going to wrap that extra piece of hair around the elastic band and also a little further down on my hair just to hide some of that up there, if you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope that you find it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.